What up, you guys? I'm trying to spice up my beat. I'm about to drop this song called Waterfall, and I want it to sound better than what it was. Like, I did this song last year, and I know as far as the kicks and the claps, maybe the 808s are concerned, they could be better. I don't want to put this out mediocre. I want to put it out my best. So, you guys, subscribe to my channel. Check out what I'm finna do. Let me know. So how I'm gonna do it is, since this is already done.
Down, drip down. Your pussy like a waterfall. You know I'm down.
These claps, I don't like these claps. I'm not playing the other stuff. I'm just playing the kicks and 808s.
Down, drip down. Your pussy like a waterfall. You know I'm down to vibe.
Now this is from the Drum Monkey, the Unison Drum Monkey. This is all I had at the time. Now I got something better, so I'm gonna bring over my sample one. My boy Colorado, he gave me his samples. I like Again is my favorite one. I've been using that in my beats. So I don't have my keyboard on me right now, so I'm gonna have to do this by click. B3.
Drip down. Drip down, drip down, drip down.
There we go.
Drip down. Your pussy like a waterfall. You know I'm down to vibe.
Bad. The reason why I'm making this adjustment is because it's not hidden on the phone like I wanted to.
When you drip down,
Watch when the kick comes in. Watch how weak it is.
when you drip down, drip down.
Like, I don't even hear the kick. Like, I have to turn it up, and then it's gonna mess it up. It's gonna sound distorted.
When you drip down. Your pussy like a water.
Again, that's a Unison monkey kick. And if you guys are using a Unison monkey, just use it for the patterns. That's what I use. It was all I had at the time.
When you drip down.
Let's turn.
When you drip down. When you drip down. Drip down.
I might even go.
Drip down.
Boom.
Drip down.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Down. Your pussy like down. Your pussy like a waterfall.
And I think this is gonna go.
Down. Your pussy like a waterfall. Down. Waterfall. Bust it open, let me hit it. Bust it open, let me hit it. Bust it open, let me hit it.
Let me do another boom boom. And actually, I'm gonna change it to
bust it open, let me hit it. You know I'm ready for you. You know I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you, shorty. I'm ready for you, shorty. Let's get. I'm ready for you, shorty. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You know I'm.
now I'm about to throw another one in here.
Let's get it. You know I'm sick. Let's get it. You know I'm sick as fuck.
Hi-hats could be better. Like, listen to the hi-hats that I got. That's disgusting. Again, the Unison MIDI. I'm disappointed in the sounds, man. But I'm happy for the patterns because I just drag and drop. So what I'm gonna do. And the good part about this is just a simple. Now I can add some other stuff in there, but instead I'm gonna just keep it casual.
Drip down,
And just keep it going.
drip down, drip down, drip down. Oh, you know I'm down to vibe in it. So deep, swear that I can dive in. You know I like it when you drip down, drip down, drip down. Your pussy like a waterfall.
Now this ain't with all the sounds and everything like that. This is just with one chord. I ain't got the lead or nothing in. I kind of like that. It depends if I want like a reverb type. Of course I can add my own reverb, but sound.
Like it when you're kinky, I'ma hit your spot, I swear. Like it,
I can throw a little reverb.
like it when you're kinky, I'ma hit your spot, I swear.
And it's important that you guys save your stuff, man. There it is. Save your stuff so your stuff don't disappear. And you wonder, like, where did it go?
When you drip down, drip down, drip down. Your pussy like a waterfall. You know I'm down to vibe in it. So deep, swear that I can dive in. You know I like it when you drip down, drip down, drip down. Your pussy like a waterfall.
And it should play all the way through, yeah. So it has its parts. It knows where it's supposed to be. As far as for this one, B already knows where it's supposed to be too. I literally just made a video about missing files, making sure that you put them back in the right spot. So make sure you know where your stems are and where you're putting your stuff.
I like it when you're kinky, I'ma hit your spot, I swear. I'ma beat it up, I swear. That's the truth, now it's time to do the dare. Take my shirt off, turn you on, pull my pants down, we can do whatever you want. So
Yo, this sounds way better than what it was. Like way better. This is how important it is. Like when you're adding drums, like spice up your drums, man. If your song, if you know you got a pretty good melody, but your song just don't, or your beat or whatever, just don't fit right, take out the kicks. Like make sure you have the stems. Take out the kicks. Take out the claps. Like take out the drums and switch it up.
baby,
I knew my 808s were straight. This is what it was. Like that compared to.
I know. Take my shirt off, turn you on, pull my pants down, we can do whatever you want. So much stamina.
So those are just the little key things that I know is going to make the song sound even better. Then of course I'm going to go through the vocals, mix it up a little bit more, because when you change the beat up, you're going to have to change up the vocals a little bit. But I'm going to put this song out. Most likely Valentine's Day it'll be out. Already got the cover made for it. I'll go ahead and airdrop the cover so you guys can see. I'm going to airdrop both of them. Boom. There they go. So it's popping up right here. So, ooh. See that? It's called Waterfall. Well, it's the same thing. But I get my covers done from Fiverr. If you guys ever heard of Fiverr before, if you haven't, you're sleeping on them. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys think that I did the right thing by adding more drums, spicing it up, and you guys want to do the same for your songs, man, leave a comment. Let me know what track it is. Maybe put a link down there. Like, show me a track of before and after so I can see, like, I want to see you guys' adjustments that you made. And I want to know what you guys thought about this. Was this adjustment needed? Should I have just left it the way it was? Or I know I shouldn't have left it the way it was, but what do you guys think? Like this video, subscribe to my channel. As always, it's all love. Appreciate you guys. You guys are my subscribers. You guys are my viewers, and I couldn't do this without you. So thank you so much, man. It's all love. I'm gone.